We see a woman entering her smart home, greeted by the soothing sound of her favorite music playing automatically. Hey there, smart home lovers. Have you ever thought about how technology can actually boost your confidence without you even realizing it? Let's dive into 5 surprising ways smart homes naturally boost your confidence. The woman adjusts the lighting in her home with a voice command, instantly creating a cozy and inviting atmosphere. First off, smart homes can help you feel more in control of your environment. From adjusting the temperature to setting the mood with lighting, having the power to customize your surroundings can make you feel empowered and confident. Not to mention, smart home devices can streamline your daily routines, saving you time and energy. Whether it's setting reminders or automating tasks, you can focus on what truly matters to you, boosting your productivity and self-esteem. The woman relaxes on her couch, smiling as she effortlessly controls her smart home with a touch of a button. So, next time you're feeling a little low on hey there, friends. Today, let's chat about boosting self-esteem in self-driving cars. When you're in a self-driving car, it's easy to feel a sense of empowerment and independence. No need to worry about navigating through traffic or finding parking spots. The car takes care of it all for you. This can give you a confidence boost knowing that you can sit back and relax while still getting to your destination safely. Another way self-driving cars can boost self-esteem is through the technology itself. The advanced features and capabilities of these vehicles can make you feel like you're on the cutting edge of innovation. It's exciting to be a part of the future of transportation and to experience firsthand the incredible advancements being made in the automotive industry. So next time you hop into a self-driving car, remember that it's not just about convenience, it's also about boosting your self-esteem and feeling like a total boss on the road. Uplifting ending sentence: embrace the future and let your self-esteem soar in your self-driving car adventure. Automobile circling stars. Hush, boost your self-esteem. Hush, self-driving cars.
Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of artificial intelligence and how confidence plays a crucial role in boosting neural networks. Confidence in AI is like self-esteem in humans. When a neural network is trained with high confidence levels, it performs better at tasks such as image recognition or natural language processing. Just like how believing in ourselves can help us tackle challenges more effectively, AI with a strong sense of confidence can make more accurate predictions and decisions. Main story point 1. Studies have shown that neural networks trained with positive reinforcement and encouragement tend to outperform those trained without it. By building up the confidence of AI models, we can enhance their performance and make them more reliable in real-world applications. Main story point 2. On the flip side, lack of confidence or uncertainty in AI can lead to errors and inefficiencies. It's crucial to provide consistent feedback and validation to neural networks to ensure they operate at their full potential. Remember, boosting neural networks with self-esteem can lead to more advanced and capable AI systems. Confidence truly impacts the way AI learns and adapts to new challenges. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video. Uplifting ending sentence: stay confident and keep empowering your AI. Hey there, friends. Today, we are diving into the world of boosting neural network performance for success. So, let's get started. One key factor in improving neural network performance is selecting the right architecture. By choosing a model that aligns with your specific task, you can enhance both accuracy and efficiency. It's important to consider factors such as the number of layers, activation functions, and optimization algorithms to maximize performance. Another crucial aspect is data preprocessing. By cleaning and normalizing your data, you can reduce noise and improve the network's ability to learn patterns effectively. Additionally, techniques like data augmentation can help enhance the diversity of your dataset, leading to better generalization and performance. In conclusion, optimizing neural network performance requires a thoughtful approach to architecture selection and data preprocessing. By implementing these strategies, you can boost your network's success and achieve impressive results. Keep pushing boundaries and striving for excellence in your neural network endeavors. Remember, the key to success lies in continuous learning and improvement. So, keep experimenting, keep learning, and keep boosting that neural network performance. Cheers to your success. Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into the incredible world of artificial intelligence and how it's revolutionizing our focus abilities. Have you ever found yourself easily distracted while trying to focus on a task? Well, AI is here to help. One way it's enhancing our focus is through personalized recommendations. By analyzing our behavior and preferences, AI can suggest techniques to improve our concentration and productivity. But that's not all. AI is also being used to create personalized study plans for students. By identifying areas of weakness and strength, AI can tailor study materials to optimize learning potential and retention. With AI by our side, we can unlock our full potential and achieve our goals with greater ease. So next time you're feeling overwhelmed, remember that artificial intelligence is here to support you on your journey towards success. Remember, stay focused and keep pushing forward. You've got this.